Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Bike Tools. I'm here to introduce our half-inch drive Pro socket handle. Our Pro socket handle is a half-inch drive made from chrome vanadium tool steel. It has a dual compound composite handle for ergonomic use. It's exactly the right length, not to over-torque or over-tighten your fasteners. The half-inch socket works with all of our bike-compatible tools. That means cassette tools, our crow's foot pedal wrench, all of our bottom bracket sockets, our suspension top cap sockets, as well as a wide variety of any half-inch general tool. It's fantastic for traveling because it's light and compatible and works together with everything. Thanks for watching, and check us out at uniorbiketools.com.